Hello students, today we will discuss about matters in our surrounding. Matters in our surroundings can be studied on the point definition, physical states of matter, characteristics of matter, states of matter, change of state, evaporation, etc. So, introduction. First, we will discuss about the definition of matter. All the things around us have mass and occupy some space, that is, have volume, are called matter. Early concept about matter by Indian philosophers, basic 5 elements such as earth, water, fire, air and sky compose any living and non-living things. Greek philosophers also arrived and supported this concept. But modern scientists classify the matter according to physical and chemical properties. Next, we will discuss about physical nature of matter. First, we do some activities. Take 1 spoon of salt or sugar with a glass of water. It dissolves. That is, particles of salt or sugar have taken the space between water molecules throughout the water in the glass. Again, if we take 2-3 crystals of camphor and dissolve in water, a violet solution will be produced. On dilution, the color of solution becomes faded and visible. Hence, we can conclude that particles of matter are very small and matter is made up of particles. Characteristics of particles of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. How do you know? Water dissolves salt, sugar and camphor. Next, particles of matter are continuously moving. Activity. Smell of lighted incense stick reaches us. Hot water dissolves camphor quickly. Particles attract each other. Breaking of chalk needs force. Stretching of rubber needs force. To bend a metal sheet needs more force. These are all activities which shows the points. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles attract each other. Note the following points. Matters have mass and volume, but personal feelings and emotions have no mass and no volume. Hence, feelings and emotions are not mass. Now, we classify the matter and non-matter with some examples. Matter: chair, air, almonds, cold drinks, lemon water, small particles of perfume, that is smell of perfume, etc. Now, take some examples of non-matter. Love, hate, smell, cold, thoughts, etc. are feelings only, not matter. Now, answer the following, which are very important for your examination purpose of view and also for your knowledge. Go for this and try it yourself. Now, states of matter. Matters around us are found in 3 states, which are solid, liquid and gas. Scientists have discovered other 2 states. One is plasma, second one is Bose-Einstein condensate, that is BEC. Now compare the studies of 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. Number 1, nature of particles. Solid, closely packed; liquid, moderately packed; gas, loosely packed. Force of attraction. In solid, it is very high. In liquid, it is high, but in gaseous state, it is very low. Intermolecular space: very small, moderate and very large. Mobility. In solids, particles vibrate only. In liquids, can move. In gas, they are fast moving. Melting point, boiling point. In solid, it is high. Liquid, moderate. In gas, it is low. Shape. Solids have fixed shape. Liquids have no fixed shape but have some volume. But gas have no shape, and at different temperatures they have different volume. Fluidity. In solid it is nil. In liquid they can flow, and in gaseous can flow easily. Now you will easily answer about rigidity, compressibility, density, kinetic energy, filling a container. These are some characteristic properties of matter. State of matter can be changed by change of temperature, change of pressure. So, the following points will help you. Number 1, melting point, the temperature at which solid changes to liquid, which is indication of the strength of the force of attraction between solid particles. Boiling point, the temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure. Boiling point of liquid is the indication of the strength of force of attraction between liquid particles. Note, during change of state, temperature will not be changed, but heat should be exchanged, which is called latent heat. Now, sublimation. When solid changes to gas directly or vice versa, it is called sublimation. For example, camphor, ammonium chloride, iodine, naphthalene, etc. show sublimation. Think about it. Density equal to mass by volume. Solid changes to liquid and liquid changes to gas by applying heat. Now, if gas directly cooled, it makes liquid, liquid cooled to produce solid. Next, when gas directly changes to solid, it is called sublimation. Solid changes to gas is also called sublimation. So, we need temperature scale. Temperature scale can be divided into centigrade, Kelvin and Fahrenheit scale, which are usable. Now, in centigrade scale, lower fixed point is 0 degree centigrade, higher fixed point 100 degree centigrade, and division is 100. In Fahrenheit scale, lower fixed point 32 degree Fahrenheit, higher fixed point 212 degree Fahrenheit, and division 180. In Kelvin scale, lower fixed point is 273 Kelvin, higher fixed point is 373 Kelvin, and division is 100. So, degree centigrade and Kelvin relation will be degree centigrade equal to Kelvin minus 273. So, Kelvin equal to degree centigrade value plus 273. Now, degree centigrade versus Fahrenheit, C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. So, C minus 0 by 100 equal to F minus 32 by 180 equal to K minus 273 by 100 is the general presentation. Now, by solving it, we can say C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9 and equal to K by 5. Now, effect of change of pressure. Solid to liquid to gas, gas to solid. Solid to liquid, fusion. Liquid to gas, liquid to solid, solidification. Liquid to gas, vaporization. But gas to liquid, condensation. When gas changes to solid or solid changes to gas directly without going through liquid state, it is called sublimation. Or when gas changes to solid, it is also sublimation, but it is also called deposition. Now we will discuss about evaporation and its factors. What is evaporation? When liquid changes to vapor without reaching to boiling point very slowly, It is called evaporation. So at any temperature, liquid changes to vapor state. This is due to surface particles of liquid having higher kinetic energy breaks the force of attractions of inside particles of liquid and converted to vapor. Factors of evaporation. Favorable points are increase of surface area, increase of temperature, increase of wind speed, and decrease of humidity. Evaporation causes cooling. The particles of liquid absorb energy from the surrounding and increases its kinetic energy to break the force of attractions of bulk particles and get evaporated, making the surroundings cold. Example: use of desert cooler in summer, wear of cotton clothes in summer, spirit on palm feel cool, drinking hot tea in a dish from cup, drying of clothes under a moving fan, condensation of water vapor in air cooling just opposite to it. Thank you.